Yo, what's up, y'all? Good morning to you. You know who I am. Young saying I am. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, gang. Man, it's early, man, and I'm up. Had to do some adult things, errands or whatnot. It's first week of February. The day after the Super Bowl. How you feel? Drop them comments if you do feel. If you don't, hey, it is what it is. But today, man, I got some stuff done. Went and got me some breakfast from my favorite place, Taco Bell. Even though I had to go back and re-get the correct stuff, you still my favorite place, Taco Bell. So please, don't mess up my order no more. Because I'm not one of the people that like to go back. You hear me? But today, I just went and got me a little crunch wrap. My 2 skillet bowls. It's kind of bright. Y'all see that? It's bright. Probably because I got this plastic on here. I got 2 skillet bowls. My donuts. And a crunch wrap. Yeah. And of course, got to have my fire sauce. Oh, let me tell y'all something. Hey, I'm so happy. When you need a haircut for so long and you take on a 20-week wolf challenge, if y'all might not know, I did take on Wavy Crockett's 20-week wolf challenge. Man, let me tell y'all something. I ain't never went so long without a haircut. Like an actual good haircut. Like, you can get a line-up tape or whatever, but, as far as like fully cutting your hair down or whatever to a 2-guard or 3 or however you like, your hair to be cut. Man. Ha! February the 5th is what? Today the 3rd, so February 5th is Wednesday. Come on now, y'all. Keep up with me. It's early. It's early. But yes. Then my when I gave y'all my new barber alert? Dude. This is why I hate finding a good barber that do your hair. And also, he don't go ghost on you, but like, he moved to another little city, or he find a new shop, or the shop that he renting at, his booth rental is too much, you know what I'm saying? He moving on. But then you act like you can't take me with you. I travel for a haircut. If you don't know me, I travel for a haircut. For real. Oh man. But hey, this y'all look at this. Look at that. Can y'all see that? I'm trying to get it to focus with y'all, but like I said, this is skillet bowl. Come with your potatoes, your eggs, melted cheese. They put pico de gallo on there, but I don't mess with that. Just a good morning thing to y'all. Good morning on a Monday. See, I rock my Packers again all day, every day. We was this close, like, so close to winning. So close to even just being in a Super Bowl, like, but it is what it is. I ain't complaining. Like Pop say, R.I.P. to John Witherspoon. You win some, you lose some. But you live to fight and see another day. You feel me? Man, he's busting, y'all, for real. I know some fast food places ain't good on breakfast, but this right here, I could dig this. As long as they give it to me fresh and stuff, I could dig this, though. You know. Oh. I got some good news for y'all. I got good news. It's so exciting that, like, I can't even share it yet because I wanna get that person to be here to share it with y'all. Oh, this is so good. Can't tell y'all what it is, but I want to tell y'all. This is a good morning good morning vlog. You know what I'm saying? And Baja with no ice. They didn't have my little favorite drink that's out. Well, I guess it's been out. Like, it's like it's been out, but it ain't out. Because everybody don't drink it. You know what I'm saying? But it's that Dr. Pepper strawberry, though. Shout out to Bay. She got me on that. Be watching these little food combinations and shit, drink combinations, so when that shit came out, or whoever came up with that shit, man, it's good. It's good. Ooh, these skillet bowls are so good, y'all. Got to. I only got two of them. Let's try a donut, shall we? Donut. Mom. Big boy. Big boy bite. But I ain't been doing nothing, y'all. Just chilling. Working. Trying to be a... When you try to be a YouTuber and still work your 9-to-5 job, a full-time job at that. Plus, I work nights. And it's hard. Especially, like, it's hard because, like, when you sleep all day, you got stuff to do. Like today, I gotta go to work at 7. It's probably like 10 o'clock right now. Probably 11, I don't know. But I ain't been asleep. Took no nap. Control. Nothing. But you know what? That's alright, because I'm going to make mine. We all going to make ours. I feel one coming. I told ya it was coming. This shit fire. I love talking about breakfast, bro. This shit was busting. Huh? But hey, though, like I said, trying to be a YouTuber and work a full-time job, it's hard. Because I be tired. Like, it's easy to do a video, but when it comes to, like, trying to put that stuff together, oops. When it's time to put all your little stuff together, put your words in there, what you gonna title it, what the caption gonna be. You gotta do your little thumbnail. I don't know. You feel me? Just thumbnail it. This is my crunch wrap though, if y'all ain't noticed. Crunch wraps come with your eggs, of course. Hash brown, of course. Steak of choice. And your cheese and melted cheese. It's pretty good, y'all. To be honest, I ain't really talking about nothing. Like I said in the beginning of my video, I really came out here to say good morning with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Say good morning, how y'all doing? What y'all do in the mornings, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all do. Y'all work first, second, third shift? Hey, do you even work it out? Are you your own YouTuber? Shoot. Are you trying to become a YouTuber? That's what I say. That's all I say. You feel me? Got one bite left. Well, I'll make it into two because it's so good, though. Steak, cheese, hash brown, melted cheese, and shredded cheese. That's a lot. And your eggs, too. Don't forget your eggs. Got one donut left. I'm tripping. I'm just tripping. But hey, though, I appreciate y'all sitting here with me, watching me, chilling with me. Eating with me. Having breakfast with me. Man, it's early. It's early, y'all. Like, to be honest, I should be asleep right now. Oh, best believe. I'm finna be asleep. That wasn't my best, but excuse me. Woo! Just a quick good morning scheme. Quick good morning. Good morning. Remember, if you don't say it back, you're being rude. You're being rude as hell. I'm just letting you know you're being rude. Good morning. Good morning. Say it back. Say it back like that. Hey, say it back. No, I'm just playing with y'all. But hey, just sitting here checking in on y'all, and y'all know that my hair is about to get cut off. My hair about to get cut off. Get a little snip of this. I can't take off my whole head because my hair looks horrible, y'all. Horrible, no taper, no line up, no nada, no nothing. I can't wait. Ooh, I can't wait to get a haircut. Lord only knows. Please. Man, I can't wait to get a haircut. But hey, I'm sorry, my bad. It's the end of the video. You know what it is. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you ain't know, you know to hit that bell to be notified. Notified by me. So once again, you won't be looking down your YouTube line, scrolling, looking for me. Because I already be there. Because you'll be a part of the gang. You be a fan of mine. I'll be a fan of yours too. I'm just saying, hey, support who support you. For real. That's all I say.